Today we're making okra and saltfish. I feel like people complicate this recipe when it's so simple, quick and easy. Let's get started. So I'll start by boiling my saltfish. I will add some vinegar, boil for 10 to 15 minutes. I did soak it for about 6 hours prior. Here to a preheated pot, I'll add my aromatics. I'm using onions, garlic, bell peppers, and tomatoes. Give that a mix and allow to go for about 2 to 3 minutes. Next, I will add my okra and I will add some seasoning for flavor and taste. I will list everything I use in my description or in the caption. You want to give it a little toss and just allow it to cook to your desired texture uncovered. Periodically, you want to get in there and give it a little toss just to make sure everything is being cooked evenly and nothing is being burnt at the bottom. And lastly, I will come in with the saltfish. I will also add some scallion and parsley. Give it a last toss and allow it to go for about 5 minutes or so. And that's it. Our okra and saltfish is all done. We can now plate this up and enjoy. Today I paired it with some fried fish, plain white rice, and some dal. It was amazing and I can't wait for you guys to give the recipe a try. If you enjoyed the video, don't forget to give it a thumbs up, share it, and leave a comment down below. I will leave all my ingredients and measurements in the description or the caption, and I'll see you guys in my next one. Thank you for watching and enjoy.